Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to the garage. It's January 1st. Okay, it's January 2nd. Play along. It's that time of the year to take a look at Revell's kit releases for the year. Just like every year, on January 1st, they make this announcement. Except for this year, they didn't do it because tradition has changed and they made this announcement a couple months ago, like it was the first week in November when they made this announcement. And I just completely missed it, wasn't paying attention. The other change they made is they only announced the first 4 months of the year. So we have January through April, so Q1 through the first month of Q2. In this video, we're going to take a look at just the automotive kits only. And the first three kits on this list, they announced a year ago that we're still waiting on. Let's get started. The first kit that was announced a year ago was the Stranger Things Chevy Blazer, which is supposed to be out this month in January. Definitely going to be picking this one up as soon as it gets released to do a what's in the box video on. I'm excited for this one. The second of the three kits that were announced a year ago, the Lamborghini Veralto, says the CAD is complete, tooling is underway. It'll have a detailed engine bay and interior. Q3, so that's midsummer through early fall. We'll see if it actually makes it out in that time frame. I'm not going to hold my breath. Revell's been really slow lately. And the third kit that was announced a year ago is the Vint 728 Vario tractor, the Easy Click kit. Says design is finished and the tooling is underway. I was excited about this one until I seen the price, which is about $100 right now. Currently, was what's being shown. That's a lot of money for an Easy Click system kit. So we'll see what the actual price is when it gets released, and I may or may not get it depending on the price. All right. Also in January, they're reissuing the Mercedes-Benz Artigo 1529 Schliegmann LF20-16. It's a reissue in a new box, and I know I butchered that pronunciation. February, 75th anniversary of the VW T1, be the 1/16 scale T1 panel van. And March, another anniversary product for the 70-year-old Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR. We have a couple of new tools coming. These are going to be 1/32nd scale kits. Mercedes-Benz SSKL in February, Porsche 917 in March, and the Surtees TS16-03 in April. So that is the list for the upcoming automotive kits for the first 4 months of the year. I got to be honest, it's kind of underwhelming. Not a lot that I'm excited about. I am excited for the Blazer and the Revolto and maybe the tractor, depending on the price at release. If there's anything that you're looking forward to from this list, let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.